Welcome back to Elite Auto Luxury. The 2025 Ford Puma is here, stepping in as the successor to the beloved Ford Fiesta. This compact crossover aims to combine style, technology, and practicality for today's modern drivers. Let's see how well it delivers. The 2025 Puma gets major tech upgrades, led by a 12-inch Sync 4 touchscreen that's faster and more responsive, though some may miss physical climate buttons. A new 12.8-inch digital driver display delivers sharp graphics, while the redesigned steering wheel adds a refined, intuitive feel. Inside, practicality remains a highlight. You get 456 liters of cargo space, expandable to 1,216 liters, plus the clever MegaBox with a drain plug for storing wet or muddy gear. While the cabin could use more premium materials, it's comfortable and functional. Outside, the design stays familiar but sleeker, with a repositioned badge, new colors, and wheel options. Power comes from a 1.0L turbo 3-cylinder engine, offering 123 HP or 153 HP, while the ST PowerShift variant delivers 168 HP with a smooth 7-speed automatic. The 197 HP Puma ST is gone, but performance remains lively. Available in titanium, ST Line X, and ST trims, even the base model includes LED lighting, alloy wheels, and dual displays. Higher trims add wireless charging, powered tailgate, and sporty styling. Starting around $25,800, the 2025 Ford Puma blends tech, practicality, and fun-to-drive character into a stylish, compact crossover, proving it's ready to carry Ford's legacy forward.